Continuing our study of fractions, we're adding fractions with like denominators, so the denominator is the same in both instances. In this case, it's one of the simplest things to do in math. It's one of the simplest algorithms, and that is you add the tops. 4 plus 3 is 7, and then the bottom remains the same. Now, if you don't remember why that happens, because a common mistake people make is they add the denominator too, and it's actually a hard thing to remember not to do, so you really have to discipline yourself. Add the tops, bottom remains the same. Now in the last video I showed you why when we model this we have the 5 on the bottom means we've broken up our models into, our whole actually, into 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those aren't very equal, but you get the idea. And that doesn't change. So I would show this one by coloring in 4 of the 5 pieces, and then I'd add to that 3 more pieces. So that doesn't change. The next model, or to model this one, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it would only be 3 of them. And then I add up all those pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get the 7/5. And that's why the denominator doesn't change. It's literally how we've decided to divide the whole up for comparison's sake. So the bottom doesn't change. That's the main thing to remember. Now we did end up with an improper fraction here. And just in case your teacher requires that you simplify that to a mixed number, let's review that real quick. If you remember improper, top is bigger than bottom, or numerator is larger than denominator, so you have to divide bottom into top. So I'm just going to go through this quickly. You can go through to the prior videos in the last section if you want to remember how to do this. So we have 5 goes into 7 one time with a remainder of 2. So this actually is also equal to 1 2/5. Now your teacher may or may not make you take it that far. It's up to them. Just wanted to review that again with you real quick. Now let's do one more example. Not difficult stuff, so you probably already have it. So go on and do your work if you want to, or hang with me for another example. So numbers are a little bigger, but as long as the denominators or the bottoms are still the same, this is no different. The rule remains that we add the tops and we get 11 plus 8 is 19. Bottom stays the same. So tops add, bottoms stay the same, and we're done. 19 over 12. Again, your teacher may have you create an improper or a mixed number from that improper fraction. If so, you've got one more step. But as far as adding fractions with like denominators, that's all there is to it. Really simple.